Good afternoon, students. This video is all about how to cite a database in NoodleTools. So, for example, I'm going to show you a couple different databases because they all show the citations in a different place. So, first, I'm going to show you Gale Global Issues in Context. I am, for example, researching driverless cars or self-driving cars. Here is an article that I found. I searched self-driving cars. This was an article I found. I read it. I want to take notes on it. It fits my topic. So I need to make a citation for it as I begin taking notes. Or after I've done my notes. So here I have my NoodleTools page. I'm going to click New Source. And where is it? I found this on a database. Gale is a database. When you go through a library website and you go to a database, you click Database. I'm going to come back here. Let's see. It was from USA Today. USA Today is a newspaper. So I'm going to choose newspaper. Okay, now, up at the top here, see where it says Quick Cite? I'll make it a little bigger. See where it says Quick Cite right here? Copy and paste the citation. Gale has a copy and paste. See at the bottom here where it says Source Citation? I can copy and paste that in, which is nice. So I'm going to click Copy and Paste a citation. And now it's warning me, when you copy and paste a pre-formatted citation, do not assume the citation is correct. Reapply text formatting, check capitalization. I'm going to do all that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Gale. I am just going to highlight the actual source, not this thing up here, Source Citation ML 8th edition. And I'm going to include the period. Everything that's underneath that in this gray box, other than the title, gets copied and pasted. So copy, go back here, and paste. It says publication copyright date of sorts already in there. URL, if any. If any. Now, I could put the date in, but you don't need to because it's up here. Okay? It's up right here. So I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to click Save. Okay. Let's give it a second. Excellent. See how nice that looks? Beautiful. Now, let's say I'm using, this is Today's Science, Facts on File. Hands-on virtual reality. So I'm looking. Now, when you first come to a database, they don't always put their citation for copying and pasting at the top. Sometimes it's at the bottom. So I'm going to scroll down here. Sometimes there's a button along the top. I don't see one. I'm going to scroll down. This is all about virtual reality. Okay, awesome. I took notes on this. I liked this article. It fit my topic. Then I'm going to come down here. Now, you might be like, ooh, maybe I needed one of these. No. These are the sources this author read to write this. But I'm just going down here. See where it says citation information. Make sure you've chosen MLA. That's our style. And it's in this box. So I'm going to highlight it. Copy. I'll go back to NoodleTools again. New source. Database. Ooh, what is this content? It looks like it's original content. I'm looking here. Hands-on virtual reality. It doesn't say like where else it was published. But if I look down here at the citation, ooh, Today's Science info base. Yes, this is just original content. So it's original content in database. I'm going to copy and paste a citation. Boom. Save. Excellent. One more. This is the website Science Online. I typed in self-driving cars. Maybe I should have done self-driving cars for all of these, but this one, I look at the buttons along the top. There is citation. Sometimes there's a button at the top. If I scroll to the bottom, is it down there too? No. You notice, when I came down here, it was just the URL, which is useful and important and necessary, but it is not what I'm looking for. So I'm going to come back up here, and I'm going to click Citation. Make sure that MLA is chosen. It is. And I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back into NoodleTools, New Source, Database. Let's go back and look. Let's see, Record Information. Look over here on the right. From Artificial Intelligence, 2nd edition. Series. Science Foundations by P. Andrew Karam, published by Record Type, Book Chapter. So when I come up here, I'm going to choose Book. Excellent. Okay, and then again, copy and paste citation. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to paste it and I'm going to save. Awesome. Look how lovely that looks now. Database, newspaper, book, but within a database, right? Okay, excellent. So this is how you create a NoodleTools citation for a database. Hopefully that's helpful. Come see me if you have any questions. And happy researching.